In this video, we will show you how to assemble your Greenworks pressure washer. We feature model GPW1702, a 1700 psi freestanding unit. However, this guide can be followed for all freestanding pressure washers, 1700 psi and below. Be advised, your unit may look slightly different, however these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with the packing material and any loose unassembled parts. There is a nozzle cleaning tool in the bag with the manual. Carefully lift the pressure washer out of the box and set it down. Remove the remaining packing material. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have used the product and confirmed it works properly. Assembling the gun holder. Slide the gun holder into the slot on the side of the handle until the tabs lock into place. Assembling the wand. Push the end of the spray wand into the trigger handle and rotate to secure the tabs in position. If your model has a gun holder, place the gun and wand into the gun holder for storage. You may need to unassemble it first. If not, the gun and wand can be stored in the compartment on the back of the pressure washer. Hanging the hose. For models without a hose reel, attach the hose to the handle using the supplied Velcro strap. For all models, secure the power cord using the hanger on the back of the pressure washer. For videos on how to maintain and operate your pressure washer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks pressure washer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.